No camper would be complete without an Annexe. The Annexe on the Cruizer Slide gives you more choices and comfort, as well as great value for money. The Annexe ensures you can cook for the family in all weather conditions and makes for great entertaining. Midgee-proof mesh keeps out unwanted visitors, and the large windows can be opened to let in the sunshine and take advantage of the breeze. The heavy-duty PVC floor is a bucket designed perfect for wet conditions and very durable. The draft skirt ensures the Annexe is fully enclosed, and handy zips allow you to use the storage space and kitchen conveniently. Strong galvanised steel poles go together to make a strong frame for the tough Sherpa close weave canvas that is double stitched and seam sealed for maximum strength. Whether it's sleeping, friends or family, cooking and entertaining, or simply a haven for relaxation, the Cruizer Slide Annexe is the perfect inclusion for spacious camping.